Nestled in the heart of the Balkans, Serbia is a land of captivating beauty and untold stories. Often overlooked, Serbia remains an unspoiled gem, waiting to be discovered. From its towering mountains to its rolling plains, Serbia's landscapes are a testament to nature's artistry. Ancient fortresses stand as silent witnesses to a rich and tumultuous past. But beyond its natural and historical wonders, it is the warmth of the Serbian people that truly captivates the soul. Serbia's beauty is as diverse as it is captivating. The mighty Dinaric Alps rise in the west, their slopes cloaked in dense forests. These mountains are not just a sight to behold, but also a haven for adventurers and nature enthusiasts. The rugged terrain offers numerous hiking trails, each providing a unique perspective of the landscape. As you ascend, the air becomes crisper, and the views more breathtaking. The Dinaric Alps are a testament to nature's grandeur, a place where one can truly feel the power and majesty of the earth. The vast Pannonian Plain stretches out to the east, a patchwork of fertile fields and meandering rivers. This region is the agricultural heartland of Serbia, where golden wheat fields sway in the breeze and sunflowers turn their heads to follow the sun. The plain is dotted with quaint villages, each with its own unique charm and history. The rivers that wind through the fields provide a lifeline for the flora and fauna, creating a vibrant ecosystem that thrives in harmony. National parks like Tara and Fruška Gora offer breathtaking vistas and a sanctuary for diverse flora and fauna. These parks are a refuge for wildlife where deer roam freely and birds sing from the treetops. The flora is equally diverse, with ancient trees standing tall and wildflowers painting the meadows in a riot of colors. These parks are a testament to Serbia's commitment to preserving its natural heritage, providing a haven for both wildlife and visitors seeking solace in nature. Hiking trails wind through pristine forests, leading to hidden waterfalls and panoramic viewpoints. Each trail offers a new adventure, a chance to discover the untouched beauty of Serbia's wilderness. The sound of water cascading down rocks is a soothing symphony, a reminder of nature's timeless rhythms. The viewpoints offer sweeping vistas of the landscape, a reward for those who venture off the beaten path. Whether you seek adventure in the mountains or tranquility by the river, Serbia's landscapes offer a sanctuary for the soul. The air is fresh, the silence broken only by the sound of birdsong. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature and find peace within. The serene countryside, with its rolling hills and tranquil rivers, invites you to slow down and savor the simple pleasures of life. The national parks are not just about the scenery, they are about the experience. Walking through these parks, you can feel the history and the stories that the land holds. The ancient trees have witnessed centuries of change, and the rivers have carved their paths through the landscape over millennia. It's a humbling experience, a reminder of our place in the natural world. Serbia's landscapes are a mosaic of natural wonders, each piece contributing to the country's rich tapestry. From the towering peaks of the Dinaric Alps to the rolling plains of the Pannonian region, every corner of Serbia has a story to tell. The diverse flora and fauna, the pristine forests, and the meandering rivers all come together to create a symphony of nature that is both awe-inspiring and soothing. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of the natural world, where every step brings a new discovery. The hidden waterfalls, the panoramic viewpoints, and the serene river scenes all offer a glimpse into the untouched beauty of Serbia. Whether you're an adventurer seeking the thrill of the mountains or someone looking for a peaceful retreat by the river, Serbia has something to offer. The mountains call to those with a spirit of adventure, offering challenging trails and rewarding views. The rivers, on the other hand, offer a tranquil escape, a place to sit and reflect, to listen to the gentle flow of water and the songs of birds. Serbia's landscapes are a testament to the beauty and diversity of nature, a place where you can find both adventure and peace. The serene river scenes with their tranquil waters and lush surroundings are perfect for those seeking a moment of peace. The rivers are lifelines, supporting a rich diversity of life and providing a soothing backdrop for relaxation. Whether you're kayaking down a gentle stream or simply sitting by the riverbank, the experience is one of pure tranquility. Serbia's landscapes offer a sanctuary for the soul. The air is fresh, the silence broken only by the sound of birdsong. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature and find peace within. The serene countryside, with its rolling hills and tranquil rivers, invites you to slow down and savor the simple pleasures of life. The sound of birdsong is a constant companion, a reminder of the vibrant life that thrives in these landscapes. The forests are alive with the calls of birds, each song adding to the symphony of nature. It's a place where you can truly feel at one with the natural world, where the beauty of the landscape is matched by the richness of its wildlife. It's a place where you can reconnect with nature and find peace within. The serene landscapes, the fresh air, and the sounds of nature all come together to create a sanctuary for the soul. Whether you're meditating in a quiet forest or simply enjoying the view from a mountaintop, Serbia offers a place to find inner peace and tranquility. Serbia's history is etched into its ancient walls and cobblestone streets. Roman ruins, medieval monasteries, and Ottoman mosques stand as testaments to a land shaped by empires. Visit the ancient city of Nice, birthplace of Constantine the Great, and marvel at the remnants of its Roman past. Explore the imposing Golubac fortress, strategically perched on the banks of the Danube River. Each historical site whispers tales of bygone eras, of emperors and battles, of art and faith. As you wander through these ancient sites, you can almost hear the echoes of the past, feel the weight of history upon your shoulders. The true spirit of Serbia lies in its people. Their warmth and friendliness are immediately apparent to anyone who visits. As you walk through the streets, you'll be greeted with smiles and open hearts. The Serbian people are known for their incredible hospitality, always ready to welcome visitors and make them feel at home. Known for their warmth and hospitality, Serbians welcome visitors with open arms. It's not uncommon for strangers to be invited into homes for a meal or a drink. This genuine kindness is a cornerstone of Serbian culture, making every visitor feel like a part of the community. Whether you're sharing a meal with a local family, you'll be treated to a feast of traditional dishes. Serbian cuisine is rich and flavorful, often featuring grilled meats, fresh vegetables, and homemade bread. The act of sharing food is a deeply rooted tradition, symbolizing unity and togetherness. Or enjoying a coffee at a streetside cafe, you'll find that socializing over food and drink is an integral part of daily life. Cafes are bustling with activity, filled with the sounds of lively conversations and laughter. It's a place where people come together to relax and enjoy each other's company. You'll experience the genuine warmth and generosity that defines Serbian culture. This sense of community extends beyond family and friends to include neighbors and even strangers. It's a culture where everyone looks out for one another, creating a strong sense of belonging. Traditional music, with its lively rhythms and soulful melodies, fills the air, adding to the vibrant atmosphere. Music is an essential part of Serbian life, often accompanied by dancing and celebrations. The sounds of traditional instruments like the accordion and tamburica create a festive mood that invites everyone to join in, inviting you to dance and celebrate. Folk dances with their intricate steps and colorful costumes are a sight to behold. These dances are not just performances but a way for people to connect with their heritage and each other. Participating in these dances is a joyous experience that brings people closer together. From the bustling cities to the tranquil countryside, Serbia offers a diverse range of experiences. In the cities, you'll find a mix of modernity and tradition, with historic buildings standing alongside contemporary architecture. The countryside, on the other hand, offers a peaceful retreat with its picturesque landscapes and slower pace of life. You'll find a deep sense of community and tradition. Festivals and gatherings are common, celebrating everything from religious holidays to local customs. These events are a testament to the strong cultural heritage that Serbians proudly uphold. They provide an opportunity for people to come together, share stories, and create lasting memories. It's a place where time slows down, where conversations flow easily, and where people take the time to enjoy the simple pleasures of life. Whether it's a leisurely walk through a park or a relaxed evening with friends, the pace of life in Serbia allows for meaningful connections and a deep appreciation for the present moment. And where laughter comes from the heart, the joy and warmth of the Serbian people are infectious, making every moment spent here a memorable one. It's a place where you can truly feel at home, surrounded by the love and kindness of a community that values human connection above all else. Section 5. The Allure of Belgrade, a city where history meets modernity. Belgrade, the vibrant capital of Serbia, stands at the confluence of the Sava and Danube rivers. This unique geographical position has made it a crossroads of cultures and civilizations for centuries. The rivers not only provide stunning views but also serve as a reminder of the city's strategic importance throughout history. A city of contrasts, Belgrade seamlessly blends its ancient past with its modern aspirations. Walking through its streets, you can witness the juxtaposition of old and new architecture, where historic buildings stand proudly beside contemporary structures. This blend creates a unique urban landscape that tells the story of Belgrade's evolution over time. Explore the historic Kalemegdan Fortress, a symbol of the city's resilience and strength. Perched on a hill overlooking the rivers, this fortress has witnessed countless battles and has been a key defensive structure for centuries. Today it offers panoramic views of the city and is a popular spot for both locals and tourists. Stroll along the bohemian streets of Skadarlia, often compared to Montmartre in Paris. This charming neighborhood is known for its cobblestone streets, vibrant atmosphere, and artistic spirit. It's a place where you can enjoy traditional Serbian cuisine, listen to live music, and soak in the bohemian vibe that has inspired many artists and writers, and experience the city's vibrant nightlife. Belgrade is renowned for its lively and diverse nightlife scene, offering something for everyone. From trendy nightclubs and bars to live music venues and floating river clubs, the city comes alive after dark, providing endless entertainment options. From its trendy cafes and art galleries where you can sip on a coffee while admiring contemporary art, to its traditional taverns and lively markets, where the aroma of fresh produce and local delicacies fills the air, Belgrade offers a sensory experience unlike any other. The city's culinary scene is a delightful mix of traditional Serbian dishes and international cuisine, catering to all tastes and preferences. Whether you're a foodie or just looking to try something new, Belgrade's diverse food scene will not disappoint. It's a city where you can wander for hours, discovering hidden courtyards, stumbling upon street art that adds a splash of color to the urban landscape, and soaking up the city's unique energy. Belgrade's streets are always buzzing with activity, and its people are known for their warmth and hospitality. Whether you're exploring its historic sites, enjoying its culinary delights, or simply taking in the vibrant atmosphere, Belgrade is a city that captivates and enchants at every turn. Section 6. Beyond Belgrade, discovering Serbia's charming towns and villages. Beyond the bustling capital, Serbia's charm extends to its picturesque towns and villages. Discover the historic city of Novi Sad, known for its Petrovaradin fortress and its vibrant street art scene. Explore the charming town of Sremski Karlovci, nestled amidst vineyards and known for its Baroque architecture and delicious Bermet wine. Each town and village has its own unique character and story to tell. Whether you're exploring ancient ruins, sampling local delicacies, or simply soaking up the peaceful ambiance, you'll find that Serbia's charm extends far beyond its capital city. Section 7. Savoring Serbia, a gastronomic adventure. Serbian cuisine is a delightful fusion of Balkan flavors and Mediterranean influences. From hearty meat dishes to fresh salads and pastries, Serbian food is all about fresh ingredients, bold flavors, and generous portions. Be sure to try cevapi, grilled minced meat served with onions and kajmak, and pljeskavica, a juicy grilled patty. For a sweet treat, indulge in baklava, a flaky pastry filled with nuts and honey, or urmasic, melt-in-your-mouth cookies made with semolina and walnuts. And of course, no meal in Serbia is complete without a glass of rakia, the local fruit brandy. Section 8. The art of celebration, music, dance, and festivals in Serbia. Music and dance are integral parts of Serbian culture. From traditional folk music to modern pop, Serbia has a vibrant music scene that reflects its rich heritage. Experience the energy of a live folk music performance with its infectious rhythms and soulful melodies. Serbia also hosts numerous festivals throughout the year, celebrating everything from film and music to food and wine. Attend the Exit Festival, one of Europe's largest music festivals, or the Guka Trumpet Festival, a unique celebration of brass band music. Section 9. Embrace the unexpected. Your Serbian adventure awaits. Serbia is a land of unexpected beauty, rich history, and warm hospitality. It's a destination that will surprise you, captivate you, and stay with you long after you've left. So why wait? Embrace the unexpected and embark on an unforgettable adventure to Serbia. Discover its hidden gems, immerse yourself in its vibrant culture, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Your Serbian adventure awaits.